So sometimes you are on the road and all you have available to you is yourself. So that's all you need for winding some yarn, your knees and your thumb. Go ahead and set your skein around your knees. Grab the tail of your yarn in your palm and hold on if you want to make this a center pole ball. And then we are just going to wrap our yarn around our thumb at a little bit of a diagonal here. And then just give it a little rotate. A few wraps, little rotate. Few wraps, little rotate. And you just keep doing this all the way around until your entire skein is wrapped around your thumb. You can eventually let go of your little tail. Even if it kind of gets tucked up a little bit, it'll be really easy to find once you remove the yarn ball from your thumb. And around we go until you end up with one of these.